Okay, now let's see the next topic in multiplications, that is multiplication with base. I had already explained you what is the base in Vedic mathematics. The base is 10. I told you no? Dashamshaha, which means 10 base. Okay, now this technique is only possible for numbers which are near to the powers of tens, like near to the numbers like 10 and 100 and 1000 and 10,000 and so forth. Okay, now first let me teach you the easy aspect, later we'll go for the higher concepts. Let's postulate an example like this. How much is 6 times 8? You already know the answer, but let me show you using Vedic mathematics method with this technique of multiplication with base, how we can deal with that. Now here the working base would be 10 because 6 and 8 are near to 10. Okay, so take 10 as a base. Now step number 1, what you have to do is subtract from 6, 10. 6 minus 10, that's not possible. You get negative figures, but doesn't matter, still you have to do that. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So at minus 4 there. Or you can think of the complement. 6 complement 4. Okay. But 6 minus 10 is minus 4. You have to think like that. Now 8 minus 10, you get minus 2. In a way 8's complement is 2. But since you have to do 8 minus 10, you get negative figures. So 8's complement is 2. Okay. Now the first thing is to generate the complements. Okay. Second, we have to cross subtract. Now we heard about cross multiplication. Now here you have to go for cross subtraction. Now the beauty is, even if you do subtraction like this or like this, you will get the same answer. That's the beauty. 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. There is also one more way by which you can acquire this 4. How is that? Is add the complements. 4 plus 2, you get 6. This 6 subtract from the base. Again you get 4. So 3 ways you get 4 only, right? Write 4 there. Now the number of zeros in the base will tell you how many digits must be there in RHS. We got the LHS number. You have to get the RHS number. Now how to get the RHS number is very simply multiply the complements. Minus 4 into minus 2. You get plus 8, right? So we must not mention plus 8. So just write 8 there. So 6 times 8 is 48. Is it right? Okay, now let's extend this to one more number. Like how much is 7 times 9? Okay. First subtract 7 minus 10. You get minus 3. 9 minus 10. You get minus 1. Okay. First thing is to generate the complements. Second, we have to cross subtract. So even if you do subtraction like this or like this, the beauty is you will get same number. Or even if you do like this, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. 10 minus 4 is 6. Even then you get 6 only. Okay. Now to get the RHS number, simply multiply the complements. Okay. 3 times 1. Okay. 3 times 1 is 3. So 7 9s are 63. Is it right? Okay. Now let's extend this to even bigger numbers. Okay. Okay. Now let's postulate bigger numbers. Like how much is 97 times 94? Okay. Now 97 and 94 are near to 100. So here the working base would be 100. Okay. Step number 1. 97 minus 100. You get minus 3. Now secondly, 94 minus 100. You get minus 6. So first you have to generate the complements. Okay. Right. Now here let me tell you, because these numbers are in two figures, you must write the complements in the terms of two places. I can say write 3 and 6, write them like 0, 3 and 0, 6. Okay. Now, second is to cross subtract. Whether you do subtraction like this or like this, the beauty is you will get the same number. Or even if you do like this, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 100 minus 9, you get 91. Again, you get the same number. Now how to get the RHS number? So the number of zeros in the base will tell you how many numbers in the RHS. There should be 2 numbers in the RHS. To get the RHS number, just multiply the complements. Minus 6 times minus 3. You get plus 18. So just write 18. So that's it. When you multiply 97 times 94, you get 9118. Okay, now let's postulate one more example. How much is 94 times 99? Here again the working base is 100. Okay, first step is 94 minus 100, you get minus 06. Again 99 minus 100, you get minus 01. Okay, second is you have to cross subtract. Whether it is subtraction like this or like this, the beauty is you will get same answer, 93. The number of zeros in the base will tell you how many numbers in the RHS. There should be 2 numbers in RHS. So to get the RHS number, just multiply the complements. 06 times 01, you get 06. And that's the answer. When you multiply 94 times 99, you get 9306. Now let's assume one more number which is slightly far away from 100. Again the base here is 100. Okay. Now first step is subtract 88 minus 100. You get minus 12. Again 97 minus 100, you get minus 03. Okay. Now second step is to cross subtract. Now whether it is subtraction like this or like this, the beauty is you will get the same answer. You get 85. Now how to get the RHS number? Now there should be 2 numbers in RHS. Okay. And to get the RHS number, just multiply the complements. Okay. Now minus 12 times minus 3, you get plus 36. So just write 36 there. So when you multiply 88 times 97, you get 8536. Okay, now let's see one more example where one number you get complements in minus and one number you get in plus. Okay, so this can also be extended to even such numbers also. Now see what to do. Here the working base is again 100. Okay, first step is 98 minus 100, you get minus 02. Second, 104 minus 100, you get plus 04. Got it? Now second step is, if you are doing this, you have to add, and if you are doing this, you have to subtract, and the beauty is still then you will be getting the same number. See, 98 plus 4, you get 102, or 104 minus 2, you get 102. I mean 104 minus 2, you get 102. Okay, the number of zeros in the base will tell you how many numbers in the RHS. Okay, so minus 4 into plus 4 into minus 2, you get minus 08. But that can't be the answer. How can that be the answer? How can it be 102 minus 08? There should be some proper number. Okay, so when you get a number something like this, in this case what you have to do is the LHS number multiply with the base. The base here is 100. So 102 multiply by 100, that is nothing but just put 2 zeros after the number. Okay, from that subtract the RHS number. So you got 8, right? Okay, so subtract 8 there. So 1020 mismatch, you get 1019. Now 8 complement 2. I think you all remember the subtraction technique which I taught you in the concepts of subtractions. Okay, I apply the same technique there. So when you multiply 98 times 104, you get 10192. Okay, now let's take one more example. How much is 108 times 96? Okay, here the working base is 100. Okay, now first 108 minus 100, you get 8. Okay, plus 8. Now 96 minus 100, you get minus 04. I can take plus 08 also. Okay, now if you are doing this, you have to subtract. If you are doing this, you have to add. Either way, you will be getting the same answer. The answer is 104. Okay, now go to the RHS one. Plus 8 into minus 4, you get minus 32. That can't be the answer. How to get the perfect answer is the LHS number multiply with the base. That means after 104, put 2 zeros, and from that subtract 32. Okay, you know the technique which I actually taught you in the concepts of subtractions from left to right. Okay, 104, next place is a mismatch, so 104 becomes 103. 3's complement is 7, but next place mismatch, 7 becomes 6, and 2's complement is 8. So that's the final answer. When you multiply 108 times 96, you get 10368. Okay, now let's postulate one more example where the numbers are above 100. Even then this can be extended to this numbers also. Now here the working base is 100, okay. Now 105 minus 100, you get plus 5. You don't write minus, means 0, 5 here, just write plus 5, okay. 109 minus 100, you get plus 9, okay. First you generated the like complements, okay. Now secondly, what you have to do is, either way you have to add, because the symbol is plus c, right? See the symbol plus there? So either way you have to add, and the beauty is you will get the same answer. You get 114. Okay. And to get the RHS number, in the RHS, mind you, there should be two numbers. And to get the RHS number, just multiply the complements. 9 times 5, you get 45. So that's it. When you multiply 105 times 109, you get 11445. Okay. Now one more. Let's extend it to one more, slightly bigger one. Like how much is 112 times 107? Okay. So here it is plus 12. I mean 112 minus, 100. Okay. 112 minus 100, you get plus 12. 107 minus 100, you get plus 7. Okay. Now either way you have to add up, and the beauty is you'll get the same answer, 119. To get the RHS number, just multiply the complements. 12 sevens are 84, and that's the final answer. When you multiply 112 times 107, you get 11984.